So, the long-awaited OneUI 8.5 update will start rolling out from tomorrow on April 30th. This update will be first available in Korea for Galaxy S25 series, but soon around May 4th, it will be also available for the US and other global markets. This is going to be a massive update, much bigger than OneUI 8, so that's why make sure while updating your Galaxy S25, you don't get that green line or pink line on your display. Many people argue that a software update has nothing to do with green line on display. Unfortunately, that's completely wrong. You have to understand that during the installation process of such a big update, the chipset on your phone is being used to its full potential. This produces a lot of heat, and if you're already sitting in a hot or humid environment, then this heat can damage the flex cable of your phone's display. Once this flex cable is damaged, that exact point shows green line. This is something permanent, and the only way to get rid of it is to get that flex cable repaired. So, how to avoid this issue from happening? Well, the process is simple. Just before the update, make sure your phone is fully charged, and don't update it right after charging it fully to 100%. After charging, wait for some time so that the phone is properly cooled. During the update, don't plug in the power cable or don't try to charge it. If you are living in a hot or humid environment, then make sure to update your phone in an air-conditioned room. Trying out these steps will most likely avoid that green line issue on your phone. There are multiple people who have reported this issue on their Samsung devices, and most of it happens due to the heat that is generated during a software update. Before moving further, don't forget to check out these amazing cases for Galaxy S26 series. They just look so futuristic with modern and sleek design. This is the frosted one, so it won't get yellow over time. And the other one has this carbon fiber look. It also has a lot of holes for cooling up the phone. Plus, these cases are MagSafe compatible. That means you can use any MagSafe accessory with these cases. Link for them is down in description. Do check it out. Moving back, these are the Galaxy S26 features that we are not getting with stable OneUI 8.5 update. First one is 24 megapixel mode. Right now, 24 megapixel mode is only reserved for the Galaxy S26 series. It's not something that is enabled by default. You have to install Camera Assistant app to use this feature. If you have a Galaxy S26, then you can check out my video on it. Link will be down in description. Next feature that is not coming is horizontal lock. This was really expected because horizontal lock is something Samsung is advertising a lot to boost up the sales of Galaxy S26, and they won't let this feature to arrive on S25 via a software update. Then, Now Nudge is also not coming for Galaxy S25. This feature is something I barely use, and it's also kinda gimmick. I think S25 users will be pretty okay if they don't get this feature. And finally, priority and summary notifications, for some reason, are also not coming on Galaxy S25 series. Yes, according to the leaked stable update changelog, there is no mention of priority or summary notifications. Maybe Samsung might add it later on, but right now, they'll not be added with the stable update on Galaxy S25 series and older. So, what are your thoughts on this update? Do let me know, and I'll catch you in the next one.